I'm going to show you how you can easily add scrolling text in Filmora 13. First, download and open the Wondershare Filmora application on your PC. Now start a new project to start editing. On the top left side, there are different options and then go to Titles. You will find various text styles to add to your project to make it attractive. It will allow you to add transitions, use templates, effects, and more. In the center bar of the screen, click the T icon and select Quick Text. Next, enter the text you want to add to your project. On the right side, a side menu will appear. You can add animations from the various options. Then, adjust the text in your timeline according to your preferred length. Now, play the video and reach the point where you want to add animation. Add the animation to your timeline, such as pause by dragging it there. After that, set the points of this animation and remove other pause points. You will see that the text is now scrolling smoothly. Once you are done, export this video to your gallery.